Hey guys, welcome back. In this video, I will show you how to rearrange images on the product page of Dawn. Let's get started. So as of right now, let's head over and view our store first in order to see what we're gonna work with. So this is my store, and as you can see, these are my products. So when I click on them, as you can see, the images is this one, and I have this other image at the bottom right here, as well as this one, and we have here the brand, as well as the image that is available for that specific product. So what we can do in order to arrange it is to just head over to our actual Shopify. Then you can click on this customize right here. And then once you have clicked on customize, you should be able to see the Shopify editor. Now click on the home page, click on the products right here. And in here, you should be able to see this default product. So click on that. And then as you can see, once you have edited it, it will actually rearrange the pictures of each product that you have added. So as you can see, I have this product right here, this product picture. I can actually rearrange it from in here. I can drag it down and I can change it like that. But since it will actually remove itself from its specific location, it will actually affect the other images or the other products. What we can do instead is we can head over to the products right here on our Shopify dashboard and then just edit it one by one on each product. So in that way, it won't affect the others. So let's head over and click on the specific product. And as you can see right here, we have here our media. So what we can do is we can rearrange it. Like for example, we want to add this as the first image. So you can see this dots right here. So just click on that, long press, and then rearrange it like this. And then you can rearrange it however you want, totally depends on you. And then once you have done that or you're satisfied with everything, just head over and then click on the save option. As you can see, it's been saved already. Next thing we need to do is we just need to head over to our online store again. And then as you can see, the first image is this one. Now let's try to actually refresh this. Now as you can see, the first picture has been changed, but on some cases, it will take some time for this right here to reflect the change that you have made. So that's the whole process. If you have found this video helpful, simply leave a like below or subscribe because it helps me reach more people. See you soon.